Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about the doctor panel that is given to you by your employer or by the insurance adjuster. That's either going to be posted at your place of employment, it's going to be emailed to you, texted to you. It should be 6 doctors on there, one of which should be an orthopedic doctor. And whether or not you are selecting the best doctor. I just had somebody recently call me, and he was already about 3 months into his case and said, oh, I went to, this was the doctor list and I picked this doctor. And I said, oh, probably not the best selection for you, when there are 2 other doctors, 2 other orthopedic doctors on there who would have been a much better choice for that person. First, because the other 2 doctors specialized in the type of injury that he had, as opposed to being a general orthopedist. And secondly, because those other 2 doctors, quite frankly, would give a more objective and fair opinion of what was going on with his injury than what he received. He received a terrible opinion from the first doctor that he picked. But again, it's not what this person does for a living. They don't know about these doctors. They're given a list. They're like, oh, let me go to this guy or this lady because they're near my house. But that may not always be the best doctor for you. When we talk about best doctors, we talk about the doctor who can give you the best quality of care and the doctor who's going to be the most objective in listening to you and determining what type of work restrictions you need if you need them, as opposed to somebody who's simply paid by the insurance company who says, no, there's nothing wrong with you. No, you don't need any treatment. If you're injured and you have an MRI that shows you're injured and you need treatment, we're going to try to help you as best we can to figure out which doctor on that panel is going to be best for you. Now, sometimes there aren't really great choices on the panel, and sometimes we have to get you care with that doctor and then send you out for a second opinion. And we are certainly happy to do that when the time comes and when we have the proper evidence and we can show, hey, this MRI shows that there's an injury to the disc or a tear in the shoulder, and we can take that information and send it to another doctor if your doctor's not paying attention to you and get the proper and objective answers. So if you're having trouble with your medical care, doctors listening to you, adjusters telling you where to go, or just not understanding which is the best doctor for you to pick, please give us a call. We're happy to help you. We've been doing this for over 35 years. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.